In the ever-evolving world of aerial photography, DJI has consistently raised the bar. With the much-anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro creating waves in the tech community, many drone enthusiasts are eager to see what this compact powerhouse can deliver. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, from the rumored specifications to its possible groundbreaking features, and why it could very well be the drone that sets new standards for aerial imaging. One of the most remarkable aspects of the DJI Mini series has always been its lightweight design, making it incredibly easy to transport and fly. According to leaked reports, the DJI Mini 5 Pro will maintain this trend, but with a twist. It is expected to come with a reinforced frame that promises greater durability without adding unnecessary weight. This means that while the Mini 5 Pro remains just as portable as its predecessors, it's going to be tougher, making it ideal for more challenging environments and rougher conditions. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to weigh under 250 grams, which would still keep it within the range that doesn't require FAA registration in some regions, a huge bonus for recreational drone pilots. One of the key selling points of any drone is its camera, and this is where the DJI Mini 5 Pro might truly shine. Rumor has it that this drone will feature a 1-inch sensor, which is a significant upgrade over its predecessors. For comparison, previous models had smaller sensors, which, while good, didn't quite match the level of image quality that professionals crave. A 1-inch sensor means more light can be captured, resulting in sharper images with enhanced dynamic range. If you're into drone photography or videography, you'll know that a larger sensor is crucial for capturing high-quality shots, especially in challenging lighting conditions. DJI's current line of drones already offers respectable flight times, but the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to go above and beyond, possibly pushing beyond 40 minutes of flight on a single charge. Enhanced battery technology and more efficient power management are expected to contribute to these improved flight times. If true, this could significantly reduce the need for frequent battery swaps, especially during lengthy shoots or when you're out exploring nature with limited charging options. If you're a content creator, the DJI Mini 5 Pro's rumored AI-powered cinematic features will be of particular interest. These features could enable creators to capture smooth, professional-grade footage with minimal effort. Previous versions of DJI drones had forward, backward, and downward sensors, but the addition of side sensors would give the Mini 5 Pro a comprehensive 360-degree safety net. This advanced system would make it significantly easier to fly the drone in tight or obstacle-filled spaces, reducing the risk of crashes. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.